Okay, so I was working on Citizen DJ, and the website is a little bit confusing. So I wanted to show all of you kind of how I like to work with the website. There's a lot of available sound clips for you to play with, and I think a good one to look at would be not really any of the American English speaking recordings, but some of the music recordings. So I'm going to go to the free music archive here, and instead of pressing explore, which is like you get to interface with this weird looking clip thing, I would click on remix, and it sends me to this website or this interface here, and I can click play, and it's taken this one melody that it's it's taken one melody that has been sampled by the Library of Congress and basically just added this cool drum machine beat behind it. So if I mute everything else, here's the drum beat machine, and you can play around it with it, right? Okay, so you get the point. But then you can add this. Thanks for your help, Buggy Bug. You can add this sample in the top here. Or if you find this sound to be annoying, you can go to all these other crazy songs that they got. Here's a song called Mushrooms. Okay, these are all strange. Let's try a different one. The Army of You. That one's lame too. Cool. Okay, so you can play with this. When you're ready to record it, press the record button. And you can press stop recording, and then it automatically downloads down here as a WAV file. And then from that WAV file, you can drag that to a GarageBand file if you need to, or whatever. Show in Finder. We'll call this file Dope Thursday Beat 2. And then you can play around with it in GarageBand or whatever you want. If you're more comfortable with another style of musical recording software, feel free to do that and use that instead. Okay, hope this video is helpful.